This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life.
This is an amazing place in West Palm Beach, Florida called Got Sprouts. At this amazing store, they have a whole bunch of health products. They have essential oils and other raw vegan snacks and a whole bunch of other healthy items to help you live a healthy lifestyle. I was so glad to see they even have CBD oil they carry at this place. They also have a whole bunch of books and supplements to help your skin internally and externally. But the main thing they focus on here is sprouting and different foods. And they have E3 Live, which is one of the products I recommend all the time on my website. They also sell fresh turmeric at this store. And they also have juicers and a whole bunch of other bagged sprouts and items. And they also ship delivery through the mail. I definitely recommend everybody come to Got Sprouts if you live in South Florida and check them out. If not, go online and visit their website, gotsprouts.com. They even carry my books at this store, and they have a whole bunch of snacks that you can grab and go by local raw vegan chefs. And these items are healthy and delicious. So the main thing they're focusing on here is the sprouts, and we're going to interview the owner, Sean, here in a moment, and we're going to talk to him about his process of the sprouts, and he also gives classes and teaches at my Raw Food Health Retreat. So check out all the items they have at this place. Visit their website, gotsprouts.com, and you can see all the different tools they have for sprouting that you can order. You can get everything you need to get started sprouting on their website. And there goes Sean, and here I am about to interview him, and we'll be discussing everything they have at his store and how much it is to order through the mail. And they also have these amazing fresh turmeric that a local farm brings them. There's medicinal grade fresh turmeric that absolutely tastes great and is really healthy, anti-inflammatory in your juices and everything else. So get on out to Got Sprouts here in West Palm Beach, Florida. I'll put their contact information below the video. And now here's my interview. These are some of the sprouts that Sean has here: the wheatgrass, sunflower sprouts, buckwheat sprouts. And tell us a little about this when you first started doing these. Was it difficult? Because I know people struggle, but you have so many here. How do you do it all?
Well, it's kind of easy once you have the system down. The whole idea is just getting your system set up, and that's one of the things we provide for people. When they're decided to grow sprouts, we actually help them get set up to be able to grow whatever they want to. So now we do the wheatgrass, the sunflower, pea greens, buckwheat lettuce, broccoli and radish microgreens, sprouted bean mix, which has zucchini, mung beans, garbanzo, red lentil, and green lentil all mixed together. And we also do, we get local things from local farms too. So we have medicinal grade turmeric right now that we get from Grateful Greens, another farm out in the area. And right now we're also providing, we have a vegan chef who actually makes here on Palm Beach Island. He started a company called veganwagon.com, and he brings vegan food to us Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you can actually come here and get entrees to take, you can pick and go. He does breakfast, lunch, and dinner entrees, plus snacks and desserts, and this food is incredible. So it's just another thing we can offer too.
Sure. Now explain for people. A lot of people say they can't grow. Like I have a big yard, and I said we could sprout. So
Sure.
How easy is it for people to learn how to do this in their own house?
It's really simple, Paul. The really nice thing about sprouting is you can do it right next to your kitchen sink. You can use it. It's a nut milk bag, mason jars. There's easy sprouters, but very simple. You can do it in less than a foot space right next to your kitchen sink.
Yeah, and for those people that don't want to do it and they don't want to take the chance, they can order it from you through your website?
Sure.
Anywhere in the country?
Yeah, we deliver all over the continental United States. Give us a day's notice because we cut fresh for you, and then we'll bag it up and ship it to you.
Okay, and you also have these bean sprouts, right?
Yep, that's a zucchini, mung, garbanzo, red lentil, and green lentil all mixed together for you. You make pâtés, hummuses with those. You can do anything you want to add a crunch to. Soup, sandwiches, anything.
Yeah, if you're in West Palm Beach, you got to check out this place called Got Sprouts. And like myself, Sean also got better from an illness that the medical community is still looking for answers for. But here are the answers. Sprouts is the main part of the Hippocrates Health Institute program, which we both learned about raw foods from, and it works. It works, and it's the living proof. There's two healthy people that, thanks to sprouts and raw foods, have gotten better, and the medical community is still looking for answers. Now, as we look around the store, you have these other items. You have books, you have juicers, and everything. You also sell this through the internet, correct?
We do.
If you want to see some more videos about Sean and Got Sprouts, he's a speaker at my Raw Food Retreats, and I'll put a link below the video to some of his videos teaching you how to make sprouts right from your own home and how to do it. What's the most common question you get when it comes to growing sprouts or eating sprouts?
My favorite question is when people come in. We used to be off the beaten path, and only people who knew sprouting would actually come here. But now we're right off I-95, so we have people coming in there, and they'll kind of look around the store, and they'll see vegan desserts, and they'll see organic seeds and supplies and things like that. And my favorite question is, so what is a sprout? Which is the first question always. And basically what sprouts are little baby plants bursting with the energy for growth. And my favorite analogy for that is if we flooded an entire room full of puppies and 2-year-olds, what all of us adults would be saying is, wow, I wish I had their energy, right? That's what sprouts are to the plant kingdom. They're like little baby alkaline batteries bursting with the energy for health. So it's a great way to get started in simple ways that you can grow at home and really get a good bang for your buck. It's very inexpensive to grow sprouts, and once you start growing, you'll notice the health benefits immediately. I mean, just the energy that you'll get from it.
Exactly, and a lot of people I've interviewed over the years would tell me things about the difference between raw foods and live foods. And a lot of people go on a raw food diet that don't succeed at doing this long term because they're leaving out the live foods.
Great.
Eating the live foods, the sprouts, and things like probiotics and things like this is really what's going to help you thrive at this diet and just at health in general. So sprouts, live food, that's what it's all about, and that's great. I met a couple in Ohio. It's freezing, snowing outside, in their 80s, and they sprout in their basement.
Awesome.
And if they can do it, anyone can do this. You can do it. I did it in New York City in my own house, and it works, and it's great. And if you can get, I like the sunflower sprouts. Anyone that has ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease, the wheatgrass is what you need, and this works. So check out the links below the video. Order some sprouts from here. Check out the video on how to make them online, and have a great day and a great real life. And thank
Stay
you.
healthy. Keep sprouting.
This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.